Going Koshi-Daruma. Boom. Here we go. I'm here. Here. But let's say I decide I'm here. Let's collect. There we go. Look, he's moving a lot. So now we go flat moon. Oh, he reached underneath. There we go. Oh, here we go. We're going into my mount. Boom. Here we go. Now I'm skydiving. Let's say his arm comes free. Boom. But I'm skydiving. Okay. And I say, you know what? Let me go into my truck. So I feed him a foot. Oh, he trapped it. Now I'm just gonna sit back. There we go. I'm good. He right now is in the truck. We're in a pre-truck position. I'm good. I decide to wait for his request. Oh, he just came up to his knee. I continue that motion. Where are we? We're in the truck. I'm good. Oh, stop it. Why is he hiding that arm? Why is he hiding that arm? It's okay. Sound good?